Alright, ladies and gentlemen, just like that, it is a new day here in Puerto Vallarta. Had a good sleep last night. Plenty of rest. Probably looking like potato right now, but whatever. It's all good because of the view. Not a bad view to wake up to. So, time for a little breakfast. Gonna go down, hit the buffet, and see what the day brings for us. The elevator view all the way down. Look at all these plants everywhere, inside, outside. Remember yesterday I was telling you, I think I showed you without the water. There's the water going into that nice little pool. I think that they should make those into water slides. That'd be wickedly cool, coming off the edge into the pond. But that's just me. So, Mr. Marriott, think about it. So, we are at breakfast, and you know what your boy needs in the morning time. Not only do I have the fantastic fruit plate, but I got one more thing that you know your boy gotta have. So there's the healthy fruit plate, nice good assortment of fruit, and then my number one thing in the morning time, and you know your boy needs a good Dr. Pepper to wake up in the morning time. So yeah, got one of them. So just hitting up the buffet, enjoying some good food, and yeah, I'll get back to you. So your boy had his healthy plate of fruit. So now we go from the fruit, the healthy stuff, to the good stuff. Look at it. Mini conchas, donuts, muffins. Look at this selection. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Guys, look at this pool. It's a semi-infinity because it's not quite to the top, but look at that pool. Beautiful, beautiful. You got a little activities over here. You got the giant chessboard, got the basketball, got your little table tennis. It's a really nice resort. Definitely come back here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The weather's fantastic. Sun's shining. Got a little kids pool over there. So yeah, let's go explore this place.
Entonces no ocupan la luz de la luna.
No, ocupan ellos la luz del sol. Más bien nosotros la liberamos en el anochecer o en la tarde. Ellos siguen la luz. Entonces lo recomendable es en cuanto nacen, como ellas, dejarlas ir, porque ellas son energía, entonces les ayuda a activar a los depredadores. Entonces, cuando las liberamos tarde es porque cuando nacen muchas, nosotros las guardamos porque hay muchas tardes, y cuando son muchas, pues las ven. Así de dos, pues casi no son visibles. Entonces, cuando son poquitas, pues las dejamos. Y cuando son muchas, las guardamos para la tarde para que también se descansen.
There you go. So guys, how cool was that? we saw 2 baby turtles, sea turtles, getting released. The resort that we're at, this one right here, the Marriott, they actually have a place over here where they keep them, or they keep the eggs. Not quite sure how that works, but they keep them over here in this cool little area right here, and then when they're born and they're ready to be released, they take them down to the water and they release them into the ocean. And then that's what we just saw. Today they had the 2 baby sea turtles. Here's kind of like the I guess you could call it the baby ward. They have like the nice plot, and all the soon-to-be sea turtles are under there waiting to be born, and then when they're born they release them out there into the ocean, which is what we saw. So it's kind of cool. We came at the right time and we got to see 2 of them, 2 little baby turtles getting released. So nice. Alright guys, so here is the front view of our resort, the Marriott, what's it called again?
Casa Magna.
That's it, that's where I'm staying at. You got your restaurants on this side, you got your rooms over there, really nice entrance, really nice resort. There's the Mikado, for those in the US, a kind of Benihana type restaurant. And then Champions, where we ate last night, is just down on the other side of that, your sports bar. This is on the marina of Puerto Vallarta. So there's a resort and all the different restaurants and stuff that are in it. The spa, which we didn't visit the spa, but I went to the fitness center, which is attached to it, what you saw yesterday night. So yeah, but here's kind of the area, the front of the hotel. Nice deal. Beautiful weather, blue skies, sun shining, super hot, super sticky, but still a good time. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, like that, taking my last breaths of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. We're saying goodbye to that weird looking water. To the room, to the resort. Any last thoughts?
That's nice.
It's nice. That's it. You heard it here. It's nice. But we're saying goodbye to this beautiful room. We're packed up, ready to go. Yes, we travel light. And I think that's it. So we will see you, I don't know, at the airport. Unless, wait, we're going downstairs for some ice cream?
Yeah, we might.
See, squirrel, ice cream. We're going to hit up the ice cream stand and I'll see you somewhere. So, take it easy. No, don't close. Ugh. Vacation's over. The door closed. Alright, so hashtag this was one of my favorite spots in the resorts. I swear I spent like a gazillion pesos in there on Dr. Pepper's. That was my Dr. Pepper supply. Look at this view. Oh, they got the parachute or whatever that's called. You see it down there? The blue and yellow thing is, what's it called? Someone leave it in the description. What's it called? It's is it parasailing? Is it parasailing? Hit me up, let me know, because I really want to know what it is. I know what it is, I just want to know the name. Look at this place. Beautiful, beautiful. This place is cool. And check it out, double ATMs. You get your pesos in one, your dollar's in the other, so no matter what, you're set. Alright guys, this is the end. We're sitting in the chair, swinging our vacation away. It's the end. Getting ready to go hit the taxi, but you had to stop and get a little bit of ice cream. You know, look at this beautiful weather behind me. Swinging in the seat, eating some rainbow sherbet ice cream. This is it. This is vacation. Except it's at the end. Hashtag sad. Hashtag teardrops. Hashtag I want to come back. As I'm leaving the airport, I guess Mexico is so sad I'm leaving. They sent a mariachi to play a song for me as I leave, just because they're going to miss me so much. I know Mexico, you're gonna miss me, and you sent a mariachi to convince me to stay, but I gotta go. I still gotta go. I can't stay forever.